Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So today I have created this purpley smoky eye look for Eid. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching, and all the products I have used for this look is in the description box. So if you are interested, then please go and check that out. And today I will start it with my eyes first, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and apply it all over my under eyes and eyelid as well, and gently blend that. And next I'm going to take the blush nudes palette by Maybelline and that pearly white color to set my concealer so that my concealer doesn't crease at all. Next I'm taking that shimmery brownie golden color from that same blush nudes palette and put it onto my crease, and after that I'm taking that dark brown color from same palette and building up my transition shade slowly. Gently blend your eyeshadows to get the decent pigmentation and the smoothie effect. And again I'm taking chocolate brown color from my Sivanna colors trio palette and building up the color of my transition shade. Next I'm taking a fluffy brush to blend each and everything so that there won't be any harsh line. Next I'm taking my Fit Me concealer again and put it on the back of my hand, and with the help of a flat top brush I will apply this all over my lid area as a base of my next eyeshadow, and applying like this slowly and building up the concealer. Again I'm taking that pearly white color from the blush nudes palette to set my concealer. Next I'm using NELF USA eyeshadow trio and using that purpley color all over the concealed areas, and it is a baked eyeshadow, so its pigmentation is much higher than any eyeshadows out there, and look at the pigmentation it provides. Next I'm depositing that purpley black color on my outer V and smoke it up gently and slowly. To build up the smokiness, I'm using that black color from my blush nudes palette and build up the color. Next again I'm taking a fluffy brush and blend each and everything so there won't be any harsh line and my eyeshadow looks perfectly blended. And next I'm taking my Maybelline NYX Colossal Kajal and put it on my lower waterline, and also I'm tightlining my eyes, and with the help of an angular brush I'm gently smoked it out. And to smoke it out further even more, I'm using that purpley color which I've applied on my eyelid and smoked it out like this. Next I'm taking my Amway liquid eyeliner, drawing a small wing. If you want, then you can go for dramatic wing lines. And next I'm applying generous amount of mascara on my upper as well as lower lash line, and for that I'm using the Maybelline NYX Hyper Curl mascara. And with this I'm done with my eye look. And for my base, I'm using Blue Heaven face primer, and it is a gel based primer. It gives a mattifying look. Next, I'm using my Fit Me foundation and apply it all over my face like this, and with the help of a beauty blender I will gently blend it out. And this Fit Me foundation gives medium to full coverage, and it is blendable, and it is good for oily skin as well. Next, I'm using my Miss Claire full coverage makeup and apply it all over the areas I like to highlight and conceal, and blend it out. It blends really nicely. Next, to set my concealed areas, I'm taking that yellowish powder from my Nicka contour palette and put all over the areas I have concealed and love for highlight. And while it settles down, I'm filling the gaps of my eyebrows with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in black. And to clear the edges of my eyebrows, I'm using Fit Me concealer with the help of a flat top brush and blend it nicely like this. It makes your eyebrows sharp and nicely. Next, I'm dusted off that excess powder which is left over on my face. Next, I'm using Sivanna colors bronze trio and using that chocolate brown color for my contours, and it gives literally a nice bronzy contour effect. I'm so happy with this product. For my blush, I'm again taking that pink color from the Sivanna colors bronze trio palette, and I love this palette. Overall the palette is so awesome, and I'm using that champagne color from the same palette as my highlighter. And next, for my lips, I'm using Sivanna colors matte lip cream in shade 05, and after applying this on the top of it, I will apply Colourbar matte lipstick in shade Bare. And yeah, I'm done with my look. This is the final look which I have created. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.